morning, everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine. Yes, students, today we will discuss assignment of lesson number 5. I dream a word. So, students, let's move on to the assignment section. What kind of a word does the poet dream of? Yes, students, the poet dreams of a world where virtues like love, peace, equality, and freedom should rule. And vices, now students, what do you mean by vices? Buraiyan, okay. And vices like greed, avarice, and hatred should be eliminated. Does this poem has a universal appeal, students? Yes, students, this poem has a universal appeal. As students, all human beings want to be happy and enjoy the bounties of the nature, means gifts of the nature. Peace, love, and freedom are dear to everyone. So, this poem appeals to one and all. What is the message of the poem, students? What is the message of the poem? I dream a world. Yes, students, here the poem gives the message of universal brotherhood, love, peace, equality, and prosperity. The bounties of the earth means gifts. Okay, bounties mean gifts, students. Okay, the bounties of the earth should be shared equally by one and all without distinction of color and creed, so that the world becomes a better place to live in. Now, students, how do the people of the different races exist in the poet's dream world? Beta, the people of different races, that is black and white, live in peace and harmony. All men are treated as equal and they live a life full of joy and happiness. There is freedom for all students. Let's move on to the next question, students. What does the poet want to add? And what does he want to delete from this word? Yes, students, the poet wants to add love, peace, equality, freedom to the word. And students, he wants to delete hatred, greed, and inequality from the word to make this word a better place to live in. Now, students, list 4 things that will be found in the poet's dream world. These students, in the poet's dream world, the following 4 things will be found. First one is love, then peace, then equality, and last, fraternity. Now, students, let's do some extracts for the practice. I dream a world where man no other will scorn, where love will bless the earth and peace its paths adorn. Now, students, which poetic device has been used in third line? Where love will bless the earth. Here, students, personification. Okay, which literary device? Personification. Now, students, write down the synonyms of adorn and scorn. Beta, scorn means to hate or to feel jealous, and adorn means, students, to make beautiful, or we can say to decorate. Now, students, let's move on to the next part. Explain no other will scorn. What do you mean by this statement, students? No other will scorn. It means, students, that no one will reject others as worthless. Okay. Now, what does the poet dream of for his world? Students, the poet dreams about a world where all the people should love and respect each other. Now, students, let's read one more stanza for the practice. I dream a world where all will know sweet freedom's way, where greed no longer saps the soul nor avarice blights our day. Now, students, explain the line. Greed no longer saps the soul. Yes, students, it means greed will not weaken or destroy our spiritual power. Okay, it means greed will not weaken or destroy our spiritual power. What kind of a world does the poet dream of here in this danger, students? Yes, beta. The poet dreams of a world where everyone will have the right to act, speak, and think freely. Okay. Then what is the rhyme scheme of the stanza? The rhyme scheme of the stanza is ABAP. Now, write down the synonyms of scorn and blight. Students, scorn means to weaken, or we can say to destroy. Okay. And blight means to make tense and miserable. Then name the poem and the poet. Name of the poem is, students, I Dream a World, and name of the poet is, this poem is written by Langston Hughes. Here, students, we can write down a paragraph related to this poem. So students, for this we should make a heading. Proper heading should be there, like we can write all men are equal. Now students, which lines we should include? Like students, human beings should not be divided on the basis of color, religion, language, because all human beings have the same feelings. All men are equal by nature, made of the same earth by the same creator. All men, black or white, young or old, experience same emotions. Our laughter has the same ringing sound. Our tears too taste the same. Our desires are similar, and so are our needs. In success, we all rejoice, and in failures, we all cry. Like these, students, we can include lines and write on a paragraph. Now, students, hope it's clear to you. Hope this poem is clear to you now. Now, students, I hope that you will not fight with each other and try to make this world a better place to live in. Okay. Thanks, students, and have a nice day.